Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm here fishing some steelhead in a river here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So anyways, guys, I need to get my rod all set up here to get out fishing. Okay, guys, that was a brutal 30 minutes when I could have taken 10 minutes in the summer. My hands are like ice. My brother's already out fishing, but my hands are like ice. Hopefully I can at least get rewarded with a steelhead or something, because I can't even feel my hands. Just came back from a nice lunch, and we're back out again fishing. There's plenty of guys here today. Cops just showed up just to see if everything was all okay around here, and everyone is good, so. Yeah. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see that. I adjusted my leader a little bit, the whole rig, because of the too shallow, so even though the steelhead come right up to it, it's better to have it closer to them. This guy's all hooked up. So I go see.
Tie it up.
Yeah.
Hey, get to the water. Like this.
He's right there.
Filhos da puta
You're gonna help land him?
I guess so. Filhos da puta sabem apanhar, man.
Yeah.
Come.
So that guy was hooked up, but he did lose the fish. So hopefully we can get it. I got one at least. It means there's steelhead in the area. Make sure the drag's pretty tight. Good hook set. Okay, this guy left, so we move down a little bit here. My brother just changed onto a fly. See, maybe if that'll work. I'm still using a bead right now. Snow something. That's what I'm using. I don't know. I might change it up. Oh, you just gotta wait and see. They're more active in the sun. Most people here land them in the sun. I'll be honest with you guys. There's not that much steelhead in here. There's more salmon than steelhead. You have to go up to places in the north to go catch steelhead. Same guy's hooked up again. Rainbow. And he's off. I've now switched over to another bead. Red Candy Creek. Red and white, I should say, but hopefully we can get something. And there it is, another hookup. And he's off again. That guy's just nailing him today. It is jam-packed today. Incredible. Bead. Okay guys, that's the end for today. I did break off at the end, but we'll see you guys next time on Eric's Outdoors channel. Take care.